In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to create notes in Samsung Notes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a quick voice command into a clear note you can review later without typing a single word. First, start by opening the Gemini app on your phone. This is your AI assistant, and it's great for capturing ideas quickly. Once the app is open, look for the microphone icon on the screen. That icon lets you speak your request instead of typing it, which is perfect when you're on the go or just want a faster way to save a thought. Now, tap the microphone and speak naturally. For example, say, "Please add a note about my task for tomorrow at 8 a.m. Keep your voice steady and clear, and include the key details you want in the note, like the task and the time." Adding a specific time helps Gemini understand when the note is relevant. You can phrase it in a way that feels natural to you, but make sure the essential information is there, what the task is and when it matters. After you speak, Gemini will process your request and create the note for you. It should capture the details you mentioned and prepare it so it's ready in Samsung Notes. This is especially helpful if you're organizing your day and need to make sure important tasks don't slip through the cracks. You'll be able to check the note to confirm the wording, time, and any extra context you included. If the note doesn't sound exactly right the first time, simply tap the microphone again and repeat your request a little more clearly. For instance, you can add brief context, like the project name or location, if that helps you recognize the note later. The clearer you are with time and task details, the better the note will match what you intended. This quick voice method is ideal for those moments when you remember something important and want it saved immediately. It's also a great way to build a habit of capturing tasks as they come to mind, so your to-do list stays accurate and your schedule remains easy to manage. That's it. Open Gemini, tap the microphone, say your note, like, "Please add a note about my task for tomorrow at 8 a.m." and your note will be created so you can check it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you save time and stay organized with Samsung Notes using Gemini.